clear and high quality resolution images and graphs. Because I have an opportunity to visit one of university. There was a master defense, and when I see the image was not clear to me. Then I asked the question that, can you read the legend of the image, or the X title or the Y title? So he say yes. I told come here and see. When he comes, so he cannot read. So this means that you must need to use clear and high quality resolution images and graphs. Let me show you here in my presentations. You can see here, this is very clear now. This image is very clear. People can read this 2 theta degree intensity, and they can read here nanoparticle, nanosphere 200 degrees C, nanoparticle 1 degree C. You see, it is very, very clear. So, and what the other mistake people are doing basically, when you are bringing image in PowerPoint, they just drag from one side. When you drag this from one side, so it is not distracting, disturbing, because this is a very good image from origin. But when you are dragging this image, so it is increasing in one side. I want to tell you one thing. You just need to press Control, Shift and drag. For example, you need to press Control plus Shift and drag. So you will see that it will increase in all size. You see here the beauty. This is a very, very good command. You just need to press Control, Shift and drag. So it will increase from all sides. It will not disturb the text. It will not disturb the image. This is very nice. But if you drag from without Control, Shift, it will increase from one side. You see. So this is another very, very important tip, that you must need to use clear images, and you must need to press Control. You must need to press Control and Control plus Shift and drag. Control plus Shift and drag. You will see the beauty here. You see, it increasing in all sides and decreasing in all sides. You see here. So you must need to use this so that your image will look like very nicely and clear. Thanks for watching.